Hello everybody, thank you for coming to this week's video blog here at California Realty Training. Thanks for coming. My name is Robert Rico. So glad to be here to give you some more information in the real estate world because we want to see you off and running the minute you get that license. But my deal is this. I want you to understand the concepts of real estate. I want you to be comfortable because when you get comfortable, you become confident. When you become confident, you're ready to go out there and kick the world's butt. And that's the whole idea of these vlogs. That being said, today's topic, who are you going to be dealing with once you open an escrow? Who are the characters involved? Who are you going to be dealing with when it comes to opening a deal? Number one, of course, you're going to have two agents involved. You'll have a buyer's agent and you'll have a listing agent. Done, said, not a big deal. Next people that you'll be dealing with, or group of people you'll be dealing with, ready, here it comes. This is the big one. It's what I call 10. The title company, the escrow company, and the NHD company. All transactions involve these three groups. Now, what do these three groups do for you? Ready? This is what they do. Their job is to protect the integrity of the transaction. Their job is to make sure that this transaction that you put together stays intact. What does escrow do specifically? Escrow makes sure that everything is done, all stipulations are met. Everything in that contract is met. You with me? Escrow's job is to make sure everything has been met in this transaction. Keep it together. Title company, what does the title company do? That's right, title company's job is to do some research on this property in question, this subject property, make sure that the liens are paid off, make sure all the mortgages are paid off. Their job is to make sure this title is marketable, it's squeaky clean, and that the buyer is satisfied with this title. So of course, they're also going to share that with the buyer, and in many cases, the lender. Last but not least, we have the NHD Company. Now remember, these are people you'll be dealing with on a regular basis on every single transaction. NHD Company, what does that stand for? Natural Hazard Disclosure. Stick with me. It will be disclosing the hazards in nature. Fire, is the property in a fire zone? Is the property in a flood zone? Is it an earthquake zone? All that good stuff. It provides very, very important information to the buyer. Buyer reviews it, says, yeah, I'm cool with this information. I want to continue with this escrow. Or the buyer will say, nope, I don't like this information. I don't want to live in a fire zone. I'm out. Anyways, that's what the NHD Company does. So far we have title, escrow, NHD. What other cast of characters will you be dealing with in an escrow? Ready, here it comes. On the buyer side, of course, the buyer's going to have a lender, so you got a lender to deal with. Communication is key here. Always keep track with the lender. The lender is the one that's going to be supplying the funds to close this deal, so of course it's very important to understand, hey, what phase of the game are we in, Mr. Lender? Are you almost ready to close this deal, Mr. Lender? Hey, Mr. Lender, how's the file look? It's crucial for you to understand where exactly we are in the escrow, and in many cases, the one that gives us the biggest hint is the lender, based on where they are in the process. Good. Another one that you'll be dealing with, another person that you'll be dealing with in the buyer side will be home inspector. The home inspector, of course, will then represent the buyer by going into this property that they're about to buy, make sure that the property is in good condition, in acceptable conditions for the buyer. Another person on the buyer side that you'll be dealing with is the appraiser who will be helping out the lender. Now, how are they going to help the lender? The appraiser's job is, on behalf of the lender, to go visit this property and put a value amount on this property. Another person involved in the deal who represents the lender is the appraiser. And all the appraiser is going to do is go out to this property and put a value to it. Simple as that. Good. Now on the seller side, they're going to be dealing with a few people themselves. They're of course going to be dealing with their own mortgage company. They'll have to contact their own mortgage company to make sure that they get paid when the sale is over. Of all these cast of characters that you'll be dealing with in the transaction, I want you to make sure that you focus on the three that we discussed earlier. 10, T being title, E being escrow, and N being the NHD. These three are going to focus on keeping this together. You with me? Both sides, the seller side and the buyer side, will have other characters representing them and helping them and supporting them in this transaction. But when it comes to supporting the deal in general, the contract in general, title, escrow, NHD. Hope this helps you out, huh? Yeah, there's a lot of characters involved in the transaction, but guess who leads the way? Yeah, you do. As an agent, you're the one that's going to guide this to the close. Got it? Good. Hey, hope you like this video. Don't forget, all these characters are there to support the transaction, but you're going to lead the way. Hey, thanks for coming. Hope to see you next week. Hey, thanks for watching this last video. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Hey, do us a favor. If you think a family member or a friend would also enjoy it, why don't you share it with them? I guarantee it, they're going to get something out of it. In addition, if you have any comments, questions, or a topic you want us to discuss, hey, leave it down in the comments section. And one last thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you waiting for? Do it right now. Hope to see you next week.